Nicole, asan po si Pores Selena? Pores Selena? Who's Pores Selena? I've heard that name before. I'm not really sure where. Ma, diba nangayo man ko ni mo usab og good night paggabi tas akong screen record. Really? Ma, Nicole, hanapin ko daw sa'yo si Pores Selena. Pores Selena? Sino yan? Sino nagsabi? Sino may sabi? Tapos akong gimay day and oh my God. Bakit? Oh my God, it's already Friday and tomorrow is our show. Which reminds me, di pala akong, although I have music na, like, I have one music. Yung isa hindi ko pa pala na, nada-download, so. This should go to... Ma, it's my birthday next month. Can I get a birthday greeting? Okay. Advance happy birthday, Kyla. Enjoy your day. Wait muna, may muta ako ba yun? Muta ba yun or something? But yeah, happy birthday or advance happy birthday sa'yo, Kyla. I hope that, you would be happy, not just on your birthday, but for the rest of the year. And be healthy, be safe, and ayun, I love you. Mamiss mo na si Mama Katkat. Si Aya po nagsabi. Iniwala ka naman kay Aya. Ito naman si Jenica. Mamalapit na birthday. Di ba August pa? Ako? Yeah, August pa ako. Hi CJ! No prob, Kyla. Ayan. So, actually, this is going to be a quick one because I will be sleeping during my lunch, which is at 2. So, quick live lang talaga to. Probably, I don't know if magla-live ako mamaya, but siguro. Kasi, di masyado busy ngayon eh. So, one sec. Kanino ba to? When ka mag-show sa Manila? Hopefully soon. So far, wala pa akong invites, but hopefully soon. Tomorrow is my comeback dito sa Cebu. And hopefully, I will have another show. Sana may may kumuha pa sa akin. May asig pa rin naman tayo. Wala lagi ka ni Join. Ni Join saan? Come back in All Stars when? Uy! Alam nyo, sinasabi niya na come back, or mag All Stars ka, ganyan. Banging budget. Mami, first week nandyan mi Cebu. Really? Go. Ay, first week? First week na ngayon ng June. Hi, Ivy! Last week. Okay. Gets. Kala ko kasi 1. Kasi LST lang siya. Hindi siya. Kala ko 1 yung L. Sorry naman. Ayun. So, actually, kind of busy kanina because after ng shift ko, hinintay ko lang yung mag-open yung mall Kasi nagpa-wax ako sa kilikili. But for the show tomorrow, ano pa ba ginawa ko? Yeah, bumili ako ng foundation and stuff. Ayan. Nasa Mandawi me. Really? Layo ng Mandawi sa amin. How am I? Oh, thanks for asking, Ivy. I'm good. Actually, a little bit sleepy because wala pa talaga akong talagang proper sleep. So, mamaya, I will be sleeping talaga. As in, like, talagang malalang sleep. Because the next day, on Saturday, I will have a show together with my Cebuana Drag Sisters. So, kailangan ko ng full rest kasi during my shift tomorrow, kasi alam ko naman na hindi masyadong busy. Kasi usually, yung busy day ko talaga is Monday. So, towards the end of the week, like Thursdays, Fridays, hindi siya masyadong busy. So, ang gagawin ko tomorrow is i-prepare ko na lahat for the show. Like yung music, wala namang LED, so it's fine. I-prepare ko na yung mga gamit ko. So, prepare ko na yung bag, yung luggage, and then yung mga makeup ko, and then what else? Basta mag-prepare na for the show. Ayun. And shout. Sino yan? Yes, I'm in Pardo po. Nakatry na ka og show diri sa Cebu. Malamang. I wouldn't be the face of Cebu Drag kung hindi pa ako naka-show dito, di ba? Fave ko talaga mga Bisaya, isa ka doon. Oh, thanks Ivy. Kay Pilar me naka-stay and hindi ko gets. Pagkanus ama. Like when I started, like in not in 2021, I actually performed in 2022, like live na dito sa, like, in a live setting. Thank you, Tina. In a live setting na talaga. Kasi when I officially started doing drag, actually online. Kasi diba, nung pandemic, everything was online, like live streaming, ganyan. So, doon ako nag-start. And then, doon ko nga nakilala yung mga drag queens din, yung ibang mga drag queens, not just here in Cebu, but also like outside. Ganun. So, ayun. Ang dami ko nakilalang mga drag queens. Actually, sumali ako ng isang drag competition dati. Thank you, RC, or RC? Tama ba? How do you pronounce that? RC or Ars? So, sumali ako ng drag competition dun sa kabilang channel sa Tarsier app. And then, dun ko nakilala yung, actually, kabatch nga kami ni Matilda, ni Mix Chanel, ganun. So, magkakilala na kami dati pa. And then, kilala na din nila ako dati pa. So, ayun. And, kaya nung pumasok ako sa Drag Race, parang, hindi bago sa akin si Matilda. The other girls were new to me. Well, like meeting them in person. I've been watching Katkat din before. Sino ba? Actually, si Katkat lang naman actually yung nakita ko. Bernie, of course, Bernie. Ayan. So, pero the rest of the girls, mga sisters ko sa season 2, mga bagong kilala ko lang talaga, as in. So, hindi, at the time when I joined, hindi pa talaga ako fully immersed kung sino yung, kasi ang daming din namang mga drag queens eh. So, since Manila sila, so hindi ko talaga kilala lahat ng mga drag queens sa Manila. So, yun. And then, after nun, I decided to join a local drag competition dito sa Cebu, and fortunately nanalo ako. And then from there, nagtuloy-tuloy na siya sa mga bar shows, ganyan. Very fortunate enough to have been invited also for to those shows. So yun, dun nag-start talaga. 2022, I can remember. 2022 ako nag-start na mag-drag show. Anong work ko? I am a VA. So, in just about a minute is magla-lunch na ako. Mas maganda pag may drag queen. Mas maganda pag may bakla. Mas masaya pag may bakla. Charing. Ayun. So, yeah. Excited ako for Saturday. I don't know what to ano. Basta, I'm just gonna have fun. I'm not gonna think so, ayan. Guys, it's already 2. Ang bilis. I'm gonna sleep muna kasi talagang kulang ng... Oh, thank you so much. Happy Friday. Thank you. Thank you so much for the Pride flag and happy Pride everyone. So again, like what I mentioned, it's going to be this is just a very quick live lang kasi I have to sleep. Super antok ko. Like pansin nyo sa eyes ko. So I'm not sure. Probably magla-live ako mamaya. Who knows? I don't know. But yeah, thank you so much sa mga taong nandito. Sino ba nandito? RC, thank you. Keisha, Grace, Tina, Ivy, thank you so much. Mapungay ang mata. What's mapungay? Mapungay is sleepy. Tama? Am I right? Mapungay is sleepy? I could be wrong. Don't judge me. Ayan, lunch na tayo. So, wala akong masyadong ginawa sa after first break. And I will see you guys in my next live mamaya siguro. But again, thank you so much and enjoy the rest of your night or Friday morning. And I love you. Much and enjoy the rest of your night or Friday morning. And I love you. Much and enjoy the rest of your night or Friday morning. And I love you.